Welcome my YouTube channel. My experience with Glucotonic Supplements. I've been using this product called Glucotonic Supplements, Health. I actually stumbled upon it while searching online for natural ways to help manage my blood sugar. After reading so many positive reviews, I thought, why not give it a shot? It's been 3 months now since I started, and honestly, I've had a really good experience. I want to share my journey, talk about how it's helped me, and why I totally recommend Glucotonic. First off, let's talk about how it looks when it arrives. The packaging feels really professional and trustworthy. My bottle came well sealed, with clear labels and instructions on how much to take. I appreciate that they included all the key info like the ingredients, dosage, and how it's made right on the label. That made me feel confident that this is a quality product made with care and following safety standards. One of the main reasons I chose Glucotonic was because of its natural ingredients. I take the supplement twice a day, and I was really happy to see ingredients like cinnamon extract, bitter melon, fenugreek, and chromium, things known for their potential in helping control blood sugar. These have been used traditionally in herbal medicine, and Glucotonic combines them in a balanced formula. Plus, it's free from artificial fillers, preservatives, and chemicals, which is a big plus for me. Since I have a pretty hectic schedule, I needed a supplement that's easy to incorporate into my daily routine. I take 2 capsules, once with breakfast and once with dinner. They're super easy to swallow and don't leave any weird aftertaste, unlike some other supplements I've tried. Pretty quickly, taking Glucotonic became just part of my daily habit, and it was never a hassle thanks to the clear instructions that kept me consistent. The biggest change I've noticed from using Glucotonic is that my blood sugar stays more stable throughout the day. I don't have those energy crashes after meals anymore, and my mid-afternoon fatigue, which I used to blame on work stress, has really lessened. I even went for a routine check with my doctor recently, and they said my blood sugar readings had improved. That was a pretty reassuring sign that the supplement is actually working for me. Honestly, since I started taking Glucotonic, I feel so much more energized and mentally clear, especially in the mornings. It's become part of my daily routine, and I've noticed I'm way more focused and productive at work. Plus, I don't need to chug multiple cups of coffee anymore, which was a nice surprise. I also feel like it supports my overall healthy lifestyle, even though I haven't made huge changes to my diet or exercise, by giving my walks and balanced meals a little extra help. It's like having a partner in wellness that helps my body do its thing better. The brand behind it really earns my trust because they focus on quality product made in GMP certified facilities, transparent sourcing, and quick, professional support when I had questions. I was worried about side effects, but I'm happy to say I haven't experienced any stomach discomfort or bloating. It works well for me and has encouraged me to keep using it long-term since it's gentle and effective. For the price, it's a steal, lasts a full month, and the benefits are clear enough to justify the cost. I even got a discount by buying in bulk. An unexpected bonus. My mood has improved subtly but steadily. I just feel more balanced emotionally, and I think feeling better physically has a lot to do with that. Overall, I've been really impressed with Glucotonic. It's helped me with blood sugar, boosted my energy, sharpened my focus, and made digestion smoother. It's made with natural ingredients, follows strict quality standards, and they really care about their customers. It's definitely become a mainstay in my health routine. If you're looking for a natural way to support your metabolism in a realistic, long-term way, I'd say give Glucotonic a shot. It's a smart move for your health, and I'm glad I found it when I did. Thank you.